Probably about a foot of snow. Oh, dang. It's crazy. Okay, here we go. Gee, where's the sidewalk? You ready for a big surprise outside? Good boy. Dang, you stayed in that spot the whole time I was upstairs getting the battery in the card. Come here. Come here. That's a good boy. Okay, you ready for a big surprise? Yeah? Where's the ruler? I'm gonna measure this. Just so I can show you guys, because the camera doesn't really capture it too well. I'll lock the door. You wanna go outside? Go outside. Go. Oh. And there's snow up to our doorstep. Go outside, buddy. Go. Go. Good luck, man. He's like, F this, I'm out. 6 inches back here. It's under the roof. There's even more over here. Oh, man. This is gonna be fun. Come on, Zeus, let's go outside. Nah, I'm not gonna make you go outside. Though you should, probably. Oh, there's yellow snow under there. Dang it. Yellow snow that we haven't cleaned up. And that just a letdown. Okay. Ooh. $11 inches of snow while I was at school. Oh, that is insane. Okay, I'm cold. Well, February is hitting us pretty good. Third day of February. 11 inches of snow already. 11 inches. Are you insane? Are you insane? Probably gonna be a lot more because there's a lot of forecasts for snow because all the storms. There's a lot of warming predicted, like highs in the mid-30s. Yeah, that's what today's forecast was, and look what happened. Actually, today was probably like 25, and it's like not 18 right now. Keeps falling. The temperature's falling. Look at that. That is like a flat mold of my shoe. Oh, you broke it. Okay, let's go upstairs. Zeus, upstairs. Go. Good boy. I'll be up there in a minute. I'm gonna get a drink. Sweet Lord, that is so cool. Look at me go. Look at me go. Aww.
I can't pee in this.
Okay. I cannot do this with one hand. Look at this. The snow is like overlapping the fence. It's been a crazy winter this year. Crazy winter. I don't know if you guys can see that, but that would be a snow tornado. Yeah, it's whispering. Got snow all over my face and it's all over this camera. And vinyl doesn't do much good. Look at all that. It's so so cold. What?
Is that your shovel or your fart?
No, it's a shovel. See? Oh, God, it's so cold.
I might have to start rolling now. You want a scarf? You need your neck warmer.
Oh, where'd it go?
I don't know.
Oh,
Huh?
ice. Oh, yeah. I want to leaf blow all this snow. That'd be fun. Ah. Now I want to start.
All that smoke's coming here. There's something leaking.
Yeah, it's fuel.
So this is almost knee deep on me. Oh, 5'6" and it's knee deep on me. There you go. At least the clouds are breaking up. Ooh, it's cold. So cold. It's cold. Is this gas? This is knee high and I'm 5'6". Come on. Alright, let's get in here.
Here, take my picture and I'll send it to the girls.
Okay, so I just ate 30 chicken McNuggets. Let's see. Empty. 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 Still got some fries and a Coke. It's gonna be a long Friday night. It's only 8 o'clock. Holy crap, because I'm like eating so early, but oh man, I'm so hungry. Not anymore though. If I like eat anymore, I'm this is what it looked like before. Hang on. Yep.